January the 28th is Data Privacy Day. Here at EUK Host, we thought this would be a good time to tell you about GDPR, the new General Data Protection Regulations. GDPR comes into force on the 25th of May. It strengthens UK and EU data protection and extends everyone's data privacy rights, and this will affect how organisations manage their data. For example, GDPR widens the range of data to be protected. It will include information that can be used to identify an individual, such as their name, address or national insurance number. Web data, such as location, IP addresses and cookies. Information about race, ethnicity and sexual orientation. Health, genetic and biometric data. And information about a person's political affiliations. GDPR also gives individuals the right to be forgotten and have information erased. They can even have data transferred between organisations on request. EUK Host. We're with you all the way.